Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be finishing my foil keycap. So right there. Grab a hammer. Let's start with my head again. Make it into a keycap by the side. Should be a little bit bented. Like that. That's the side of the keycap. Second side. Second side. First side might be kind of tricky. Keep making the first side. Yeah. That's the third side. Keycap is almost finished. Looks really good. Now the last key side. That is it. That's the end of the keycap. This is keycap 4. Bye guys.